City also selling Ako ang Boss Tarlac. Gates open, they're up and racing. Superior Arc draws for your lead, running on the outside to a Tarlac by the rail. Tiger Api is sneaking in the inside. Conqueror, then comes Ako ang Boss, Jonas Recipe, New Golden City, Daman Surya, heading towards the last 800. We have Superior Arc in command. Moving up now by the rail is Jonas Recipe to take the lead. Then racing on the outside, Tarlac, Tiger Api, running by the rail. Conqueror, then moving up is Daman Surya, New Golden City, as they race at the last 600, and now working to the final 450. We have Superior Arc leading the field, followed by Tarlac in second, Jonas Recipe in third, then moving up Tiger Api, New Golden City, Conqueror, and down the stretch they come. Superior Arc by about 2 lengths, followed now by Tarlac in second, racing on the outside, Tiger Api, New Golden City, Daman Surya, with 75 meters, it's all Superior Arc. Second is Tarlac, Tiger Api, New Golden City, and Daman Surya for your pentafecta.
7-2.